In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files to rows in Smartsheet. File Attachment 2026. By the end, you'll be able to link the right documents to the right rows, so anyone viewing the sheet has the context they need. Things like briefs, contracts, screenshots, and supporting spreadsheets tied directly to the work they belong to. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. This is where everything starts. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight in. If not, click Sign In and use your normal method, whether that's your email and password or your organization's single sign-on. Keep in mind, you need the proper permissions on a sheet, typically editor or higher, to add attachments. After you log in, you'll land on the home page. Think of home as your launchpad. You'll see your recent items, favorites, and the workspaces you're part of. We're going to open the sheet where you want to attach files to specific rows. From here, navigate to your sheet. A quick way is to open all workspaces on the left. Choose the workspace that contains your project, then select the sheet you want to use. If you have a lot of items, the search bar at the top can help you find the sheet by name. And Recents is handy if you opened it earlier. Once the sheet opens, look to the right side of the screen for the panel with icons. Find the Attachments option. It's usually represented by a paperclip. Click it to open the Attachments panel. If the right panel is collapsed, hover near the edge and expand it so you can see the icons clearly. Now you're ready to add files to a specific row. Click on the row you want to enrich with a document. You should see that row highlighted. With the Attachments panel open and the row selected, choose the option to attach files. You can browse your computer and pick one or more files. Or, if your plan and settings allow, select files from connected cloud storage. Drag and drop works too if you prefer a faster workflow. Give the upload a moment to complete. You'll see the attachment appear in the panel under that row. From here, viewers with access to the sheet can open or download those files directly from the row, keeping everything organized and traceable. If you're adding multiple files, consider clear, consistent file names so teammates instantly know what they're opening. Large files may take longer to upload, so it's smart to keep attachments tidy and versioned. That's it. Open Smartsheet, sign in, go to your workspace and sheet, open the Attachments panel, select the row, and upload your files. Repeat for any other rows that need supporting documents, and your sheet becomes a single source of truth.